In today's video, I will teach you how to change the color of a specific object in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File and Open to load the image that you want to edit. Now we're going to select the object. Depending on the complexity of the object, use one of the following tools. For selecting an object with a brush-like selection, choose Quick Selection tool from the toolbox. And for selecting areas with similar colors, select Magic Wand tool. And for freehand selections, choose Lasso tool, Polygonal Lasso tool, or Magnetic Lasso tool. Then use the selected tool to outline or brush over the object that you want to change the color. Then adjust the tool settings as needed for a more accurate selection. Optionally, you can refine the selection. To do this, simply go to Select, then Refine Edge to improve the selection edges if necessary. Then use the options to add or remove from the selection. Then adjust the feathering for smoother edges. Now we're going to create an adjustment layer. With the object selected, go to Layer, then New Adjustment Layer, then select Hue and Saturation. This will create an adjustment layer that affects only the selected object. In the Hue and Saturation Properties panel, adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to change the color of the selected object. Move the hue slider to shift colors, then adjust saturation to change the color intensity, then modify the lightness or brightness. Now we're going to fine-tune the adjustment layer. If the adjustment layer affects areas outside the selection, click on the Layer Mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Then use the Brush tool with black to paint over the areas that should not be affected by the color change. And if needed, use the Brush tool with white to restore any areas that were accidentally removed from the selection. And once you're satisfied, you can now save your work. To keep all layers intact for future editing, go to File, then Save as PSD. And to save the edited image, go to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred format like JPEG or PNG. Then adjust the export settings if necessary, then click Save to download your image. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.